Hey there everybody, Aaron Rath here from Rath's Tesla, and tonight we are going to make our first change to the Tesla sitting in the garage right there, the midnight silver metallic car sitting in the garage. We're going to make our first change to it, and it is from our friends at Evbase. You can see it right there. You can see the box, but you can't see what it is. So let's take a quick look at what's in that box, and then let's work on getting them installed. So we got new car wheel covers. We're gonna go all black on the car, and we're gonna change these out. So let's pull one of these out. We'll talk about it, and then we'll get them installed. There's been tons of videos on the installation. I mean, it's really nothing more than taking one hubcap off and putting another hubcap on. The two things you need to do is you need to put some of this foam tape around the edge of each of the hubcaps before you put them on, and that's just to help from rattling. And then when you put the hubcap on, you line up the opening with the valve stem cover. So I'm gonna pull these out, show you what we got, and then I'm gonna go put them on the car. So that is the hubcap that we got. We got black center caps that are Tesla center caps, so they're black on black. My wife is gonna add blue colors to her car, so we'll probably make the Tesla on that blue. But let's go ahead and let's go get one of these installed and talk about how that needs to happen. All right, so these hubcaps are pretty simple. You just really got to grab it and kind of pull these off. So it's just popping them off, and it's as simple as that. It's really easy. And then to put the new ones on, like I said, you're going to take this opening here. You can see the little U shape right there. Line it up with the valve stem, and then just kind of pop it in place. They're going to go on hard, and that's okay. Okay, lesson learned. They don't go on with this thing on there. So you got to take that off of there. So let's go ahead and get that put on then. Now that I've taken the white thing off the center, and we went around the edge and put on the foam tape just to help keep the noise down, let's get this installed. Should be much easier without the white piece in the center. So line up the valve stem, and then just press it in place and just work your way around, and it'll press in and click in, and just like that you have new hubcap. So I'm going to go through and do all 4 tires and put the center caps on, and then we'll get some after shots and let you see what they look like. Okay, so last night I did not film the final part of this video because 1, I got busy, and 2, my wife started asking me all kinds of questions, so I missed it. But I wanted to close this video out. These hubcaps from our friends at Evbase. Again, link in the description down below. Discount code in the description down below as well. It's Rath's Tesla. Make sure you use it to get your discount on these hubcaps and anything else that they have. They have a lot of great stuff at evbase.com, so check them out. Make sure you subscribe because I got a lot of stuff coming up. Like I said, with the new Tesla in the family, we're gonna do a lot of different things. So subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's exit this video by looking at how beautiful this car looks with these hubcaps. She even wants to add some blue accents because the blue sparkles that are in the car. So she's added some blue accents to the car already, and some bugs as well. That'll do it for today's video. We will catch you in the next video.